so I already got all of my ingredients set up right here. Now I'm struggling with the noodles. I really appreciate that. But hey, you live and you learn. By the way, y'all, I've never used this before. Y'all. And we got a lot of them. If this ain't seasoned, I don't know what is. Beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up! My chicken bomb. If you're new, as you guys can see by the title, today's video we're doing another cook with me. This will be my second cooking video on this channel. If you haven't already went to go see the first one, I'll have it linked in the eye above. I advise you to go watch, check it out, because then maybe you won't expect too much from this video. If you guys ain't already know, all I got going for me is a pretty face. So we're going to change that today. Your girl is going to be trying to make chicken Parmesan. I'm going to be putting my own little spin on it. We're going to see how it comes out. Low-key kind of nervous, so please pray for me. But before we get too far into it, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. They'll be on the screen and in the description box down below. We're not gonna do too much chitter-chatting in this video. I'm already not a chef, so your girl needs to get focused. So without further ado, let's get cooking. Okay, so I already got all of my ingredients set up right here. My chicken is all set and defrosted. These are chicken breast tenderloin. I honestly really don't even know what that is, but this is all we had. So hopefully these do the trick. Olive oil, pasta sauce. We're using a recipe that doesn't require breadcrumbs because I don't have any of that either. So flour. And these are my 2 boxes of noodles. One is butter and garlic flavored, and then one is garlic and olive oil. I don't know that word, but again, these are the only noodles we have in the house, and I felt like it already having some flavor in it may amp it up just a little bit. Yeah, I know. Welcome to Aaliyah's Ratchet Kitchen. So I'm gonna get ready to prep my chicken, but first I had to start my pot of water for my noodles. So I already got this over here heating up and boiling. So that brings us on to the seasoning. I'm reading the ingredients on the back of these pasta noodles. So the butter and garlic needs 1 tablespoon of butter or meringue, 1 3/4 cups of water, and then 1/3 cups of milk. But this one, which is the garlic and olive oil, only needs 2 tablespoons of butter or meringue and 1/3/4 cups of water. Like I mentioned, y'all, your girl ain't got too many chef skills. Me having to use my brain and put all these measurements together ain't gonna work. So honestly, I'm not even finna put myself through that. I'm gonna just go ahead and use 2 boxes of garlic and olive oil. Or should I do butter and garlic? I'm struggling already. Now I'm struggling with the noodles. So these are the ones I ended up going with. Each box needs 2 tablespoons of butter. So that's 4 tablespoons in total. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my butter or meringue. It already has the tablespoon measurements on the side. I really appreciate that. Okay, so I probably should have put this in there before it was already boiling. But hey, you live and you learn. I'm scared. Okay. It's in there, y'all. So my chicken is already washed and prepped. The tutorial I'm watching by Chef James says to flatten the chicken. So I'm using this here mallet. Not too much though. By the way, y'all, I've never used this before. Okay, period. That's some flat chicken if you ask me. Okay, so now that the butter is all melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my pasta. I did not know there was a seasoning pack in there. Y'all. I'm still finna use it though. Time for for box number 2. I made sure to take the seasoning pack out this time. Now that that's cooking on reduced medium heat, I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning my chicken. And we got a lot of. So let's run through these really quickly. Chicken seasoning, garlic and herb, onion powder, seasoning salt, mozzarella chicken, and Italian seasoning. Oh, and you can't forget the salt. So first, before anything, we're gonna go ahead and salt the chicken. Now we're gonna add all of our seasonings. I don't know what is. Alright y'all, so the chicken is all seasoned and the noodles are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain them out. Earlier, you're also going to need eggs and Parmesan cheese. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and make the egg wash. I don't know if it matters how many eggs you use for egg wash. I think it's really just to coat the chicken so we can fry it. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I should be following the recipe to a T, but I never do. Maybe that's why it don't ever turn out right. Y'all, I can't even lie. Even when I do, it still don't work. I guess that just says a lot. Okay, so I got my container right here. I'm going to probably add 2 eggs. I may can't cook, but I can for sure crack an egg. So we're finna go ahead and beat these eggs up. Beat them up, 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 beat them up. Period. Get it all nice and mixed up. Add some of our Parmesan cheese. I may go ahead and add a little bit of mozzarella cheese as well, because his Parmesan was shredded. Mine is grated. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but just to be on the safe side. Period. Did that look good, y'all? All right, y'all, so I did put the flour on a plate just to make it easier for me to apply it to the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the egg wash and then dip it in the flour. Stand up in the ocean, everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the op, we gotta slow. Put some cheese on there because it ain't even coming out. Ooh, this stuff's so slimy, y'all. Powder it up, powder up, powder it up, powder it up. I feel like I'm actually doing something, y'all. I'm excited. Alright y'all, so my chicken is all done and I can't even lie to you guys. It look pretty good to me. I've already had the stove heating up, so all I gotta do is add olive oil and fry up these chickens. I don't even too much play with grease, so wish me luck. Look at my chicken, y'all. Do it look good? I think it look good. I don't know how long it's supposed to sit on one side, but... Ooh, look at that! Okay, it's caramelizing or whatever. This is how the first batch is looking. Y'all, look at my chicken. I can't lie, this looks super scrumptious. Now, I did listen to your guys' comments in my last cook with me. Y'all said don't add any raw meat to meat that's already cooking. So I went ahead and cooked these thoroughly first. Definitely made sure, opened the inside, didn't see any pink. So now I'm gonna start the next batch of raw chicken. I don't got no more oil in the pan. I don't know if you're supposed to put some more oil, but I'm gonna add a little bit in there. We ain't trying to burn nothing. So while this was cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and kill 2 birds with 1 stone and get started on these dishes. I'm gonna come back to you guys when this is done.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking eat like that I'm mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's.
Alright y'all, so everything is done. The chicken is done and the noodles is done. Now it's just time to plate it. My favorite part. Well, your girl took all 4 years of culinary school in high school, so your girl really be feeling like a chef when it comes to the plating. I got it down pat.
He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be.
So like I mentioned, this is the pasta sauce I'm gonna be using by the brand Ragu. This is the chunky 6 cheese sauce. Now you can make your own pasta sauce. I heard it's kind of easy, but I'm not doing all that, y'all. It is almost 9 o'clock. I'm tired. We got the pre-made, so that's what we're gonna use.
Bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, smoking my breeze.
I cannot open this pasta sauce. It's hurting my hands. So my mom taught me this little trick. Get you a butter knife or any heavy metal spoon. Bang around the top. Y'all see all those little ridges? Now let's see. Don't say I ain't never told you nothing. Okay, I got the pasta sauce. Got my spoon.
Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch.
Time for the chicken. Which one looks the prettiest? This one look nice. I think I'm gonna cut it just so you can see the inside.
Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like,
add a little bit more sauce on top. Trying to drizzle it, it ain't even drizzling. I think I'm messing it up, y'all. Parmesan cheese. So I think I am gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese just to melt on the top. Okay, just clean off the edges. Make it look all nice and presentable. Baby, you can give it some time. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. Y'all, we're all done. My chicken parmesan looks so delicious. Now it's just time to taste it out. So I guess bon appetit. I can't even lie, y'all. I'm a little nervous. It does look good, but do it taste good? We gonna find out. You gotta get a little bit of everything in the first bite. Noodles, sauce, chicken, all of that. Here we go. Let me try another bite. I don't know, y'all. I can't tell if I like it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so final verdict. I honestly think it's the noodles that's throwing it off. I probably should have used the butter and garlic flavor or just some regular plain noodles. Should have took my behind to the store and stopped being lazy. But my chicken bomb. So overall, I'll probably give give it a 6, 7.5 out of 10. I don't know, y'all. My taste buds is a little picky, but we do have a ton of leftovers, so hopefully my mom and Tink ends up enjoying it. But I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any tips for your girl, anything that you noticed I could have did differently, made my life a little bit easier, don't be afraid to comment it down below. Don't be rude though. Constructive criticism only, no negativity around here, okay? But if you guys do end up following my tutorial, because this wasn't really a tutorial, it was just a little cook with me using what I had in the kitchen, a cheap, quick, and easy meal. Make sure to send me tons of pictures on my Instagram. Like I said, all my social medias are on the screen and in the description box. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.